In primetime news this evening, gas prices surged to a new high. No new measures. The government responds to calls for the reimposition of COVID containment mandates. And Ministry of Education reveals more than 200 teachers and students test positive for coronavirus in first 2 weeks in March.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening there's a business day. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we want to know, what are your views on the government's announcement that it does not intend to reimpose new COVID measures despite the spike in cases? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, or tweet at Television Jam 1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.